Hey there, have you ever wondered how habits can actually boost machine learning performance? Well, today I'm going to share with you 5 surprising ways that habits can enhance your machine learning skills. First off, forming daily habits can improve your focus and concentration. By setting aside dedicated time each day to work on machine learning projects, you can train your brain to be more efficient at processing complex algorithms and data sets. Next, habits can help you stay organized and on track with your machine learning goals. Whether it's creating a structured workflow or maintaining a consistent schedule, building good habits can keep you motivated and productive in your learning journey. So there you have it, habits play a crucial role in boosting your machine learning performance. By incorporating positive habits into your daily routine, you can elevate your skills and achieve success in the world of artificial intelligence and data science. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to mastering machine learning. Keep up the good work and watch your skills soar to new heights. Uplifting ending sentence. So go ahead, embrace those habits and watch your machine learning performance skyrocket. Rocket.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the surprising reason why virtual reality success keeps failing. First off, one of the main reasons for VR struggles is the lack of compelling content. While the technology continues to advance, many VR experiences still feel limited or gimmicky, failing to engage users for extended periods of time. Another key factor is the high cost of entry. From expensive headsets to powerful computers needed to run VR games, the barrier to entry can be daunting for many consumers. This limits the potential audience and hinders the widespread adoption of VR technology. Despite these challenges, there is hope for the future of virtual reality. As technology improves and becomes more accessible, we can expect to see a wider range of high-quality content and more affordable options for consumers. So, don't count VR out just yet. With continued innovation and investment, virtual reality has the potential to revolutionize how we experience entertainment and beyond. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on technology trends. See you next time.
Hey there! Are you ready to boost your confidence in 3D printing? Well, you're in the right place. First tip, familiarize yourself with your 3D printer. Take the time to read the manual and understand how it works. Knowing the ins and outs of your machine will make you feel more confident in using it. Next, practice, practice, practice. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings and designs. The more you print, the more confident you'll become in your abilities. And there you have it. By familiarizing yourself with your 3D printer and practicing regularly, you'll boost your confidence in no time. The camera pans across a bustling city skyline, showcasing the fast-paced world of blockchain technology. Friendly feminine introduction sentence. Hey there, fellow blockchain enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to share with you 5 tips for effective blockchain growth development. We cut to a close-up of a computer screen, displaying a chart of blockchain projects and their growth trajectories. Main story point 1. Tip number 1. Stay ahead of the curve by continuously educating yourself on the latest blockchain trends and technologies. Knowledge is power in this rapidly evolving industry. Main story point 2. Tip number 2. Build a strong network within the blockchain community. Collaborating with like-minded individuals and experts can help you navigate challenges and
Hey there, fellow machine learning enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk to you about the importance of taking breaks in your machine learning routine. Main story point 1. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of coding, experimenting, and problem solving. But did you know that taking regular breaks can actually improve your productivity and creativity? Studies have shown that stepping away from your work for even just a few minutes can help refresh your mind and prevent burnout. Main story point 2. Breaks also give you the opportunity to recharge and gain new perspectives. Whether it's going for a walk, reading a book, or simply taking a few deep breaths, stepping away from your screen can help you come back to your work with a fresh set of eyes and renewed energy. So remember, taking breaks isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity for maintaining your well-being and achieving your best work in machine learning. So don't forget to give yourself permission to take breaks throughout your day. Your mind and your projects will thank you for it. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to taking care of yourself and your machine learning journey. Happy coding!